Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 21, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 3, 2023, our system has identified SOXL as a strong buy candidate, earning it a score of 2.72. Now, let's examine how this stock has performed during this time frame. Investors who followed our analysis would have witnessed an impressive gain of 24.27% since we initially recommended SOXL as a buy candidate just 13 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.87% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a break above the top trend line at $24.14, as it could indicate a slower falling rate and potentially signal a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 10.60% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between minus 45.93% and minus 5.53%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 49.53% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between minus 0.451% and 108.62%. This translates to a price range of $22.74 to $47.65 after a year. Our latest update for the SOXL ETF brings some significant news. Yesterday, the price of the ETF experienced a sharp decline of 5.54%, resulting in a very red day for SOXL. On Tuesday, November 21st, the price dropped from $24.18 to $22.84. Throughout the trading session, the ETF showed a fluctuation of 5.12%, reaching a low of $22.45 and a high of $23.60. It's worth noting that the price has been on an upward trend for the past 2 weeks, with a remarkable increase of 22.8%. However, the recent volume increase of 2 million shares, combined with the falling prices, might indicate a potential risk in the coming days. In total, approximately $1.34 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 59 million shares traded. Let's take a look at the ETF's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price recorded during this period was $28.75, while the lowest price was $8.74. At present, the price is 20.56% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $5.91. Additionally, it is 93.96% below the all-time high of $378.24, which was reached on November 26, 2020. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of market corrections, there will be support from the lines at $22.52 and $18.83. However, if the stock price falls below these levels, it will issue sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. On the other hand, some negative signals have been issued as well, which might influence the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decline of minus 5.54% so far. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the ETF's performance. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that can help with your investment decisions. Let's dive in. First up is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which suggests a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal that occurred 130 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 16 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average points to a buy signal 14 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 10 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, here's what we find. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 7 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 46 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Happy investing! Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. Let's talk about the support levels for the SOXL ETF. Currently, it has support just below today's level at $20.60 and $18.64, based on accumulated volume. When an ETF tests a support level, there's always a risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $20.60 is broken, the next support will be at $18.64 and $17.43. It's important to note that this ETF is considered very high risk due to its volatility. It can experience significant movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. In the last day, it moved $1.15 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 5.12%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been 4.63%. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for SOXL. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $23.07. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $20.60. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound in the stock. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this ETF at $21.84, representing a decrease of 4.4%. This particular ETF exhibits significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 80, further increasing the risk involved. Furthermore, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred just 1 day ago. Is the SOXL ETF a worthwhile investment? Despite the ETF currently experiencing a downward trend, there are several positive short-term signals that indicate it may present a buying opportunity. Our analysis of volatility and recent market movement suggests that the current price is undervalued. When trading opens on Wednesday, November 22, we anticipate SOXL to have an opening price of $22.96, which is a $0.123 increase from the previous day. Before we continue, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest, where we provide you with the latest insights on the stock market. Today, we want to discuss our current view of the stock and hear your thoughts on it. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your valuable insights. We're also curious to know what your target for the ETF is. Let us know in the comments. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We genuinely appreciate your support and wish you the best in your trading endeavors. Have a fantastic day, and remember, successful trading starts with informed decisions. From all of us here at StockInvest, take care and happy trading.